Let's add some of the more advanced features to our user profile view set. We're going to add the capability to search users by their name or their email address. So load up Atom and load up the views.py file within the Profiles API app. We're going to start by adding a couple more imports to the top here. The first import we're going to add is the REST framework filters module. The filters module has a bunch of pre-made filters that we can add to our view set that will add filter capability. Create a new line underneath the section of the REST framework imports and type from REST_framework import filters. And then scroll down to the bottom of the file, and we're going to add a couple more class variables to our user profile view set to tell it which filters we want to use. So add a new line at the bottom here and type filter_backends equals, and we're going to create another tuple, and we're going to list all the filters that we want to have as an option on this view set. So we only want to add one. We want to add the filters.search filter. Again, remember to put a comma at the end here so that Python knows that this is a tuple object. Now we've defined that we've defined the filter backends that we want to use on this view set, we need to tell it which fields we want to allow the user to filter by. So we want to allow the user to filter by the name and email field. So define a class variable here called search_fields equals, and then a new tuple with two strings that represent the field names we want to search on. The first one is name, and the second one is email. So this will allow users to use the search filter backend to filter by the user's name and email address. So that's how you add it to the view set. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.